Okay, babe. If you get any of these questions wrong, I get to watch your legs.
Not gonna happen because I know you like the back of my hand, but okay, let's go.
What chips do I like on my period?
You like hot Cheetos, Takis, inside a jalapeno with sour cream.
Okay. I'm surprised you knew that
Easy.
one. Okay. What's my favorite food when I'm sad?
Korean buckwheat noodles that are cold with Korean short ribs and extra vinegar.
How the heck did you know that one?
Easy.
Okay. What's my favorite anime?
Clannad.
Dang, you answered that so fast.
So easy.
When's our anniversary?
Ah!